guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started by rinsing off my hair. I had this wash and go in for about 5 days and I have a lot of product buildup, so I'm just gonna go ahead and run the water on my hair for a good 2 minutes, trying to rinse off all of the product before putting on my shampoo. I'm going to start by putting the Shea-yurvedic Butta Shampoo Heavy Shampoo Buttercream on my hair. I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of the main ingredients in this shampoo. This shampoo has shea butter, aloe juice, brinraj powder, amla powder, neem powder, retha, shikakai powder, ashwagandha, brahmi, avocado oil, vegetable glycerin, olive oil, and Msm powder. When it comes to Ayurvedic herbs, my hair loves it. Here's why. The benefits of Amla powder for hair is to strengthen the scalp and the hair, stimulate hair growth, reduce hair loss, and prevent and treat dandruff and dry scalp. For brinraj powder, it prevents hair fall, promotes hair growth, prevents graying of hair, and makes hair lustrous. Retha makes your hair shinier and softer. It is antibacterial and antifungal in nature, and it keeps your scalp free from dandruff and prevents hair loss. My favorite, shikakai. Shikakai soothes your scalp, fights dandruff, and is also antifungal in property. Y'all, this Butta shampoo felt great on my hair. It's thick, creamy, but also very effective. It does not set up on the first use, but once you use it, rinse it out, and then use it again, you can start to see suds. This shampoo did not feel stripping at all. It kind of felt more moisturizing, but it cleansed my hair enough. That's one thing I really liked about this shampoo. Girl, this is a moment when I saw and heard them suds, and I was like, oh my gosh. Y'all, this Butta shampoo was the truth, okay? Let me tell y'all. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse out all of the shampoo out of my hair before starting to use my deep conditioner. So I skipped the conditioner part when it came to washing my hair, just so I can test out how good the deep conditioner really was. I'm going to go ahead and split my hair into 4 smaller sections. That way I can evenly distribute the deep conditioner onto every hair strand and see its full potential. This is the Fro Despair Vitamin Hair Repair, a Plant Foods Mega Deep Conditioner. It is vitamin packed with horsetail, rosemary and sage, biotin, spirulina, wheatgrass, barley grass, oat grass, MSM, organic olive oil, andiroba seed oil, broccoli seed oil, brown rice protein, provitamin B5, vitamin E, Soultanicals. You ain't have to do it to him like that. Okay, me and you gonna have to have a conversation later. This deep conditioner was very creamy, lightweight, and when I applied it to my hair immediately ate every single piece of this deep conditioner up, as you can tell by my face. People, let me tell you about my best friend. Nah, for real though, this tangle teaser has become my best friend. Ever since I started using this tangle teaser, I have not went back to brushes or combs. This tangle teaser is like a brush and a comb all in one. I bought this tangle teaser off of Amazon, and the link will be down below. Y'all, this was the moment I realized this deep conditioner was not getting the amount of clout that it needed to get. For real though, this deep conditioner was the truth. Y'all, do y'all see my hair? Flourishing, okay? So I'm finally done putting the deep conditioner onto every section, and now I'm just gonna go sit underneath my hair steamer and steam it for a good 15 minutes. So I try to steam my hair every week with my deep conditioner because I have low porosity hair, which means I need other things to help encourage the products in my hair to actually penetrate into my hair shaft. Hair steam encourages blood flow to circulate, promoting hair growth. The steam lifts the hair cuticle, allowing your treatments to penetrate deeply into your hair shaft, helping to heal damaged hair. I also got this hair steamer from Amazon, and the link will be down below. So I just got done rinsing out the deep conditioner out of my hair, and I'm moving on to my not soft coil detangler, and the ingredients are as follows: aloe vera juice, broccoli seed oil, coconut oil, olive oil, flaxseed oil, MSM powder, and many more. This leave-in conditioner smelled like coconut. It was really nice. It was easy to apply. It's lightweight. It's not as heavy on your hair. It doesn't weigh your hair down. And it also was very moisturizing, like the rest of the products that I've used so far. This is when I knew I messed up. This oil stank. Oh my gosh. Every hair product that I have used so far from the Soultanicals line was amazing. It had my hair smelling scrumptious, delicious. Oh, the oil is great and it has great ingredients. The smell, baby, I can't do with the smell. It was disgusting. This Bloom Super Potent Hair Healthy Growth Oil is action-packed with plenty of great ingredients. It has olive oil. It's infused with rosemary, horsetail, dandelion root, MSM, sulfur, cayenne pepper, fenugreek powder, moringa powder, provitamin B5, green tea, stinging nettle, garlic oil, ginger root, brinraj powder, onion extract, black seed oil, ginseng, biotin, castor oil, hemp seed oil, oregano oil, black tea leaves, golden seal root, sage, silica, peppermint, rosemary, lemongrass, an essential oil blend, and also vitamin E. Every product that I have used so far from the Soultanicals line has MSM in it. MSM is great. The benefits of taking MSM or having them in your hair products is it doubles, if not triples, the growth of your hair rate. I have experienced hair growth like no other by using and taking MSM.